Okay, YouTube, welcome back. Welcome back, everyone, everybody. Welcome back. It's Jimdel-Edu. We're back for part 15 in our series. Okay. Without further ado, let's continue. I'm not going to say much. And what I'm going to do, we are going to create. Remember, we are now inside admin dashboard, and we're working with account.php now. Okay, now we view account, as you can see, account.php, and here we have the search, the button for create account. Okay, now we will create the table. We will add the the table. And the first thing we are going to do, we are going to display everything inside the database. And inside the yeah, inside, let me show you everything's on our database, and we will display everything here. We're going to create our table, and then for the admin, and then we need the ID for the admin, email, name, status quo, registered last seen, and so on. Okay, if I go here, this is everything that I will take ID one, email for the admin, and then we'll take the full name, role, last seen, the date, and so on. And then also we'll take registered. All right. Okay. Now let's go back, open your code editor. Okay, I want you to open your code editor. This is where we left, account.php. This is where we left, and I'm going to do this and continue. Okay, I put this just to separate the same thing. Now remember I told you we're going to create the table and grab everything from the database to display. Okay, and we need. All right, this div, let me put it like this. Right away, I'm going to give it a class, and then let's call it because we're going to take everything, all the content. Okay, let's call it content block, and inside this content block, I'm going to create another div. Now this is where I'm going to pass add the real table. Okay, and inside of the table, this is where we this div will grab everything. This is where everything will sit down. The table will sit down inside of it, inside of this class table. Here's the actual table right here. Okay, and then here we need the head for the table. We get t head. Okay, and now every time we got t head, we need the colon row, and that's why we need create a table row. And then now inside of the table, where all our data will sit down, and then we call it table data. This is our first. Okay, this is our first table data, guys. Okay, here's our first table data, and let me bring this down. Now let's work with the first one. All right, I add a class. We want it to responsive, and then I'm going to hide this one. Okay, add tag here, and then right away I'm going to pass my my PHP. Okay, I'm going to pass my PHP and call my my URL. Okay. Okay. Okay, remove this, put this in, okay, single quote, put the colon right here, put it single quote. Yes. Okay, let me make this let me make it smaller. Okay, I don't know why I keep it. Okay, all right, not fine now. Okay, I'm going to make this a little bit smaller. Okay, and okay, yeah, see, I'll close here. All right. What I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to click here and bring this down. Okay, I click here and bring this down so that I can make it bigger. You can see everything here. And then while I'm here, let's see. Okay, URL. The first one we have the URL, we have the order. Okay, and order. Let's see here. Mark destination ascendant. Okay, here. Okay, and we need one more because here I'm going to put order. We have to order by ID. Oops. Order by ID. Let's see if we got. Let's see. Okay, we have to remove one more single quote. Yeah. Order by ID. Oops. No, that's fine now. And then here, this is how I'm going to add the hashtag right here. Okay, and pass my. I'm gonna say PHP and is the closing at the same time. Okay, now if statement we order by order by here. Okay, and now what I'm going to do, I'm going to bring this down. Okay, I bring this down. This is okay. I'm going. Yeah. Okay. Now it's okay. Now I bring this down, and I'm going to put this is I here. And in front that's why I'm going to put this to put front or somewhere here, level like this. And after that, I'm going to add my PHP here. A string to replace. Okay. Inside, and got this guy. Okay, and comma space, we need okay. All right, so go here, put here, and then we need the oops, a smaller be okay. Yeah. And first one, because of the arrow that I'm adding here, you can search with up and down, ascendant and descendant. When you click on it, you can up and down and so on. So that's why up and down. And here we need order up to order. Okay, and here we have PHP here, and then let me move this. That's fine now. And when it's okay, but I have to add something after that. Alt, okay. X. No, this is XS. Okay. All right. And then and then I want you to. We can continue, or we can go. Okay, let me put it this way. PHP. Okay. All right, this is my PHP. Let's remove one extra. Okay. And because we have if, that's why I'm going to say this is the and if. No. So that's why we. Okay, remove this. The end if we're supposed to add the end if before the closing, like right here. That's why we have this, yeah. And then we can bring this down and put end if right here. Now we have table closing. I'm going to bring this up and move this like this. Okay. Right here, table data. This is the first block of code, okay? And this is the first. This is the first block of code. All right. What we can do, leave some space, okay, like this, and then save everything. If you save everything, let me show you. We can go to our browser and refresh it. All right. Okay. And then you will see that you will not see anything yet. Alright, so because if you click on account, that's why we get. Okay, this is how I put this. When you click up and down, you don't have any error. As you can see, order sort descendant sorted by, you have to fix this. We'll fix this. Okay. Alright, so we have this. Okay, this is the first one we have. This is where we will put we have this for the ID. We put email, name, or status, last name, and so on. Let's continue. So this is the first block of code. Now we need our table data. Again, bring this down. What I can do, guys, I can copy and paste. Okay, we can do it this way too. We can. This is the first block of code. Let's see. Make sure we don't gather any error message here. Make sure you got it. Make sure that we have everything right. Okay, here. Order equals okay. Order by ID. Okay, and yeah. Okay. So the PHP if order by ID. And let's see, when we open PHP, the closing one right here, I want you to leave some space. Okay, the level, okay, string replace. Okay, this is fine, so far so good. Up and down, we got order right here. Okay, PHP and if. Okay, this is we can bring this up like this and then keep this. Okay, all right, this is fine. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy this block of code and paste it here. That's the second one. And then now I'm going to make some changes. Let's see, from we don't need follow me, guys. Inside of this table data here, we don't need class. This class, remove this one right here. Okay, and after that, let's URL, and here order. Let's see, order. Okay, order. Okay, this is fine. Order by. Now I want you to remove ID. The second one should be email. Okay, going to say order by equal email, and remove the tag right here. I want you to put email right here. Okay, and next PHP if order by, remove ID. Okay, I want you to put email like, oops, like this. And yeah, PHP I class, same thing, leave the class as it is. String to place. Okay, this is fine. Up and down, order, alt, PHP and if, yes. Okay, everything's fine. Save everything. Let's go back, refresh the page. Now we have email. Okay, we put email, and then now we need we have email, we need name. All right, we have email, and we need to add name, role, and so on. Now I'm going to do the same thing. We are going to do a copy and paste. We will save some time here. Okay, copy the same block of code. We can copy this one, copy, okay, and paste it here. We are going to make some changes. Now this time we're working with name, and where we have after this this right here. Now I want you to put order by equal full name, like this. Okay, full underscore name, and then remove email, put name. All right, also here order by oops. Okay, remove email. I want you to put order by full name, like the same thing. And then this line right here, leave it as it is. All right, we have full name, and then we have name here. All right, oops, wow, go here. If you save everything, you can go back and refresh it. Now we have name. Now let's continue. I'm going to copy this block of code and paste it here. Now this is for Word. Okay. For Word, I'm going to add the, maybe we forgot. Okay, let put maybe we're not supposed to, let's see, not supposed to, yeah, we should keep the class. Okay, because responsive, because where we have email, the first table data right here, remove the class. Okay, let's add the class back. Okay, add it back, okay, put it back, yeah, put it back. Now the same for name. Okay, the first table data, put the class responsive heading right here, and then here put the class as well. Okay, now here we have to make some changes for wall. Remove name. Okay, I want you to put wall like this. All right, and which is simple. Order by, remove full name, put wall, and the second order by, remove full name, put wall right here. Okay, and the rest are fine. Okay, now let's go copy this block of code and paste it here. Now I'm going to make some changes for status. Remove wall, put status right here, and put the same thing like this right here. We have 1, 2 status. We're supposed to get, also don't forget here, order by status. Wall, order by wall. We're supposed to get a 3. We have 1, 2, 3. If we were full name 1, 2. Or where's the yeah, name? Okay. Now after status, we need send a message for the total messages total, and do the same thing. Copy this block of code and paste it here. Now we have sent message. Remove status here. Let's put sent messages. Okay. And for sent messages, remember we have order by. You have to change that to messages total. This one right here. Also, this is the another order by. Put the same thing. Messages total. Okay. And then after that, keep the rest as it is. Next, we need after messages total, we need last seen and registered and action. We need 3 more. So copy this one, paste this one here. We're working with this one right now. Remember, this is the first one. We need last seen for the date, like this. And order by, remove messages total, put last seen, and then look for the order by again, put last seen. We're supposed to get 1, 2, 3. That's fine. And next we need registered. Do the same thing. Copy and paste. Now we need to remove last seen. Put registered like this, and look for order by, put registered, and then another order by here. We need to put registered. And next we need action for the, let me move those, put them a little bit closer. Okay, now for the action, we only need a table data, and then we put actions like this. Okay, and then move this up like this, and put action up, and put this up closer. Okay, and now as you can see, save everything, and let's go ahead and refresh our browser. Save everything, refresh. Okay, as you can see, we have alright, so we don't have anything yet. So we have ID, email, name, word, status, sent messages, last seen, registered, action. This right here, don't worry about it, we will fix it. Alright, now let's continue. And then remember, we will you will, okay, let me show you this. You will not see anything in the data yet, like ID1, email for the admin, full name, word, and so on, last seen, because we need a table body. We don't have table body because we work in table data, the header. Okay, now we need let's create our table body. To create our table body, we should let me this one. We have to remove this blank. Okay. Yeah. Now to create our table body, this is table table header. Now we need the body should be sit down after the table header. Now let's create our table body, and then go. I want it to go after table head, head. Now I'm going to put write something for you, table. Now we're creating the table body right here. Okay, now we're going to call it T body. All right, T body. All right, the first thing we need a table row. we need a table inside of our table body to keep everything in order. Okay. All right. Now, we need a table. We pass our table. All right, and then we have let's create table. No, that's not table data. Okay, table data. Here, this is our first table data. Okay, and going to call span to 10, and right there I'm going to pass a style. We want everything. I'm going to use what everything text align should be in the center. Okay. Also, this is the message that I'm going to pass, because if we have no accounts, we should say there are no account. Okay. And there are no accounts. Okay, this is our first table. We can if we save everything, let me show you refresh. All right, as a message, there are no accounts. Okay, and yeah, so and then I'm going to pass my PHP in here first, because if the table is empty or loud, and then go after the T body, I'm going to pass my come on PHP. Oh, doesn't want to take it. PHP. Okay, now this is where I'm going first PHP code, and then I'm going to use the if statement. This is where I'm going to say if empty. Okay, all right, if empty what? If our account is empty. Okay, table account is empty. All right, this is the we don't need, and then we don't need this. Bring this up. Okay, remove the code. All right, open it like this. Okay, table row. Okay, as you can see, first line, first PHP. Now, because we use an if statement, oops, come on, PHP. Okay, now else if empty, and if it's not empty, else PHP. Okay, and oh come on, remove this, and this is where I'm going to pass a loop. Oops. Okay, we don't need all this. Okay, that's all we need for each account. Let me this. Okay, as I'm going to call it A. Give it any letter A. Account start with A. Okay, for each account, and bring the closing PHP up. Same line. Okay, right here. Now let's continue. I'm going to pass another table row. All right. Now this is where I'm really put my data, and pass my first table data, and add a class here. I'm going to make this a little bit bigger. Call it same thing, responsive, and here PHP A. Take the same as A for each account. Oops. ID, working with ID first. Okay, and it's the first line. Now, if let me show you something. If we save everything, our first line for data, we work with ID. Save everything, refresh. Oops, we got an error message. Said unexpected end of file. Yeah, yes, we're working on it. It's in body table. Let's see, div. Yeah, yeah, we're fine. Let's continue, and then we will fix that. We will see everything will be fine. And next table body, and pass PHP here. Now convert my HTML special, yeah, special character to I say a. Okay. The first thing I'm going to take is the email, and okay, and then next line, oops, supposed to be, let's see, body right here. What I'm going to do, I'm going to, yeah, go ahead, copy this line. Okay, copy this one, paste it over here, remove email. Let's put full name. Okay, as simple. And go to the next line, table body, and I'm going to use the I'm going to use the first line, table body, this one, the first one. Oops, we cut this one. I'm going to copy, okay, and paste it here, and this is fine. Now I'm going to remove ID, put wall like this, okay, and go back the next line, remove ID again. Let's put status right here. Okay, all right, and now I want you to go ahead, skip one line or two. I'm going to create another table with some space. Add the class, the same class. Now this time I'm going to take the account as admin. Okay, account role as admin, and okay, here put add the PHP. To add the PHP line here. Take everything, pass our PHP code, and set the account as equal to admin. All right, for the login. Now, I'm going to say PHP. Remove this extra. Now, this is where I'm going to use the if statement and use my session to connect. Okay. Chat account role is equal to admin. Okay. Let's go to the next line. We have to use chat logs that PHP. Okay, we're in this chat log that PHP. Here, account ID, ACC ID. Okay, right here, and then A ID. We're very close on PHP. Go here, and we need to add the class here. I'm calling it for the first link 1. Okay, and then now from here I'm going to pass the PHP here. This is where the messages total, and then here. Okay, now let's go here, go to the next line, else. Oops. Okay, next line, messages total, and PHP, and if table data. Okay, now next what I'm going to do now this is how I'm going working with last seen for the date. I will need the table data here, our first line, and our class. Okay, same class, title, and pass my, to get the title, pass my PHP inside. But because when our loop is running, it will search for A. Every time you get A, every time when the loop is running, and then go to the inside of the account table inside the database, when the loop is running for each account, it will check for each inside the database for each account. The loop is running. Every time you see A inside the table row, it will display them. What I mean by that, when you find A, it will take the ID, email, full name, row, status, and so on. Okay. Now, where am I? Okay, I'm right here. We say A. Let's send this for last thing. We're gonna take the date. Okay, and go here. Okay, and what I'm going, yeah, this is where I'm going to put a time. The time elapsed with convert time. Okay, string. All right, and then now I'm going to put last scene now. Okay, to put last scene and closing table. Okay, which is fine. Now next line, the first this done, or how you can do it if you want. Okay, yeah, I'm going to next table data, add the class, same class. Okay, and then now for the registered, now this line for the registered class, and then I'm going to pass my my PHP here, pretty much the same thing. Now I'm going to put the date, okay, and format like this. Y, okay, space, like this, and oops, put a comma after the closing single quote, space. This is the strength to time. Okay, yeah. Oops. Okay, now put a registered. stood. Yeah, okay. Now next table data, I just put a tag, and now this is where I'm going to call the account without s.php. The account without s.php, this is inside of that file. You will be able to create account, will be able to edit and delete and so on. Okay. Yeah. ID equal PHP and ID equal, yeah, both are the same. ID close here and pass. I'm going to pass a class, okay, for the link that I created. Admin should be able to edit. Remember, I create a link, first link, and then the first link I'm going to call it edit. This is where I pass the edit link, okay. And I want you to bring the table row up after the closing table row, and this is where I'm going to pass my PHP for and. We have to end our loop. Remember, we use for each loop, and then we use if. You have to the first one should be the first one we're going to close is for each, and for each, like this, okay. And we're going to close and if, and then here we have the table data table, and then okay. Now what we're going to do, we are going to save everything and see, save all, go back to our browser, refresh it. Now we have an error message that said unexpected, and for each on line 191, let's see, 191 and PHP, and for each unexpected, that where we got this error message, because here we have for each here. Why do we have that? Let me go back and refresh it. Unexpected and for each. Okay, let's go back. Unexpected that, because we have this error message here. Unexpected else. Well, where do we have else now? Wait. Where do we have the a lot of errors going on here? Let's carefully, because for each loop, let's change now to for each. Line 191 for each loop. Line 191. This is line 191 for each. Okay. End of for each. Unexpected that. We should, let's see here. Account. PHP for each account inside our database as a. Oh, okay. We have to close. We have to put a colon here because we have the colon here. Okay. Because as you can see, PHP if MC account, here you have a colon. You have to put the colon right here. Okay, put the colon right here, and then save everything. Oh, I'm going to do this way. Save all. Let's go back. Refresh. Okay, now we refresh. We got everything, but we still got an error message here. We have an error message. Call to unify function string time, line 188. Okay, 80 88. This is this line. String. Oh, okay. I want you to put string to time. It's not string time because I will convert the time. String to time will convert the time because I convert it from here. Time elapsed string. Okay, that's why I put it string to like this. Okay, it says string to time. Okay, go ahead back to file, save all, go back and refresh. Okay, as you can see, now we have there are no account view. Okay, now as you can see we have we take everything from the database. Let me go back, and here's the email address. Okay, here's the email address, is a full name, role, and let me go, and last seen status. Okay, and from here, as you can see, this is we have everything: ID, email, yes, view, name, role, and the status, sent message one. Last seen, say just now, because it's just now, you just take it for just now. And if you click on edit, because we don't have account, we create account.php, but we do not have the file yet. Okay, to create. Okay, okay guys, so this is where we are going to stop for part 15. We create this, we grab everything from the database, everything, yeah, concerning the admin, login, where we take everything, and then this is yeah, this is everything we got here. Next time we will create the page. This should be the first page 101, and then after that we'll create, when you click on edit, you should be able to edit, and then we'll create account without s.php. You can create account. So this is where I'm going to stop. This is step by step. I can't wait to finish this series, because I want you to understand that. That's why I skipped a few days to. I have a big project that I'm working on, and I'm going to show you quick the back end of that project. I'm not going to show you the front end yet. That will be it will be amazing, guys. You will love it. Okay, and then let me go ahead here. This is the back end of the project that I'm working on right now, and then also I can't wait to finish with this one. Okay, and here this is the admin. This is a new project, admin, and dashboard, message. This is, you find the message, you find the newsletters, and then we find the event calendar. Also we got the settings, so everything is in one places, and then we will get comments, and we got reviews. Everything will be, that will be great. If you add inside the here, event calendar is the calendar right here. We can add your event. Okay, you can, to remind you, and let me show you how to add. For example, today is 20th, October 20th. If you click on the 20th, you already get an event. If you click here, I already got an event, as you can see, conference for new worker. And then let me close it, let me show you, and we got the picture here. And if I click here on event, if I click here on edit, and you can change the color. All right, and let me go back. On dashboard. Yes, we can click here, and then you can add a new event. Let me show you. You can add I'm going to put the title as any title, subscribes. Okay, title, subscribe, please. Description, this is Jimdel-Edu. Also date, let's take tomorrow, and then put time, 4 p.m. and to 5 p.m. Okay, now also recurring, never, I don't want it to be recurring. You can add because here we have the color green. You can add any color if you want to in it. Also, we can add, let me add this color right here. Can take red, this one right here. You can take this guy, which is fine. And then we can add, let me see if I can add, take this picture right here. And then, we're not done yet, I'm working on it. Okay, as you can see, this is, I add event for October. Okay, I subscribe please, Jimdel-Edu, and then this is Jimdel-Edu also. From that, this is the date. As you can see, it's different color. You can see here. Yeah, this is amazing, guys. This is amazing. And yeah, this is this is a big project that I'm working on right now. And you will find everything, account, email, newsletter, event calendar, we got reviews, comment, everything will be right here. And I'm not going to show you the front end yet, and this is the back end that I'll give you a quick view. Okay, now this is where I'm going to stop for part 15, and then next I will add the page and create account. That page you can create account, you can edit, and so on. All right, guys, see you in the next time for part 16. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share. Any other message, let me know. We're glad to help you out. Thank you. See you in the next one. Bye bye.